and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. After withdrawal, 5,934 candidates to contest Panchayat polls. 14 elected unopposed, 1,557 candidates withdraw from the fray. PWD tries to repair a road where it does not exist. A farmer exposes flaws in tender process, hints at corruption, shows how the work was tendered as a non-planned expenditure. Central government's decision to reduce the kerosene quota by 73% to the state hits the farmers at Kankona hard. Farmers face difficulties as their kerosene pumps used in fields go dry. First cracks develop in the independent alliance of independent MLAs. Avetano says he wasn't aware about any group. And Goa Cricket Association's Dream Stadium project still stuck in legal tangle. Narvekar hopes Chief Minister Parrikar will be cricket friendly and help in building stadium. Now the news in detail. 14 candidates from various talukas have been elected unopposed in the Panchayat poll. Total 1,557 nominations have been withdrawn and 5,934 candidates would contest the Panchayat election from all over Goa. Meanwhile, candidates from Boma Adkolna Panchayat have raised objections against 6 candidates as they have failed to present no due certificates at the time of filing the nominations.
It is in fitness of things that the State Election Commission will be handed over the responsibility of delimitation as well as reservation because of 2 reasons. Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Government of India has also recommended about 10 years ago that these powers need to be transferred. The spirit of the constitutional amendment also says that all voting processes should be dealt by the spirit of the 73rd and 74th Constitution is there, and you will be also surprised to know that about 20 states in the Indian Union have given this job to the State Election Commission. Only 6 or 7 have not given, and Goa was one of them. Local state government has not spoken anything about that as to who will declare the date of, who will decide the date of election. But again, there is one very important provision which all my friends will be knowing, that in case there is a delay, there is the express Supreme Court judgment that we may go to either High Court or Supreme Court directly in case the elections are delayed. One important thing is that we have received some data about, as of now, some data about unopposed candidates. So as of now, this figure also will get revised by the time we leave from here. But total 14 till now, 1-4 have come as unopposed.
Meanwhile, candidates from Boma Adkolna Panchayat have raised objection against 6 candidates.
पंचायत एक्ट सेक्शन 10 प्रमाणे जो कोण फॉर्म भरता पळय तो नो ड्यूज आसपा जाय बिफोर डेट आनी मागीर आफ्टर डेट ते एक्सेप्ट करपाचें ना अशें सेक्शन 10 नंबर सांगता पंचायत राज 1994 एक्ट. पूण प्रॉब्लम असो जालो की जेन्ना आमकां स्क्रुटिनीच्या टायमार मामलेदारान विचारलें की कोणाक ऑब्जेक्शन आसा तेणें रिटर्न दिवचें ना जाल्यार तोंडी सांगचें म्हणून. तेन्ना हांवें ऑब्जेक्शन रिटर्न दिलें तेन्ना तेणें वाचून ओगी रावली. ऑब्जेक्शन अशें आशिल्लें म्हाजें की जो कोण पंचायती ड्यूज आसा ती सर्टिफिकेट पळोवची आनी जी कोणा कडेन ना ताका डिस्क्वॉलिफायड करचो अशें तें ऑब्जेक्शन आशिल्लें म्हाजें. म्हणजे ऑब्जेक्शन प्रमाणे 8 मेंबरां भितर फक्त 2 जाणां कडेन नो ड्यू सर्टिफिकेट आशिल्ली, 6 जाण डिस्क्वॉलिफायड जाताले. पूण एज पर पंचायती एक्ट मामलेदारान तांकां डिस्क्वॉलिफायड केले नात. तर हांव म्हणटा जर ती डिस्क्वॉलिफायड करूंक शकली ना जाल्यार तो एक्ट कित्याक दवरला सरकारान. तेन्ना हांव मागता आमच्या मुखेलमंत्र्या कडेन की असल्यांक परत तांकां ट्रेनिंगेक धाडचें म्हणून.
A reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agiyar, with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari and video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Here is a case where PWD tried to repair a road where it did not exist. The work was tendered and commenced, that too under non-planned expenditure. A farmer from Sattari Sonal has exposed this fact. Interestingly, a PWD engineer called Karkanis, who was a part of this repairing process, is already under suspension for another similar kind of case. Is this how PWD carried out corruption during the previous regime? Lokik Shilkar reports.
Dattatray Jog from Sonal Sattari is facing hardships due to absence of a road near his house. A kacha road is constructed halfway to his house. The rest of the journey is through a wooden bridge. Interestingly, a file was prepared by the PWD before the assembly election to repair the road where wooden bridge exists and prepare a new road where the kacha road is in place. The road approaching the farmer's house was put in the file stating construction of a new road. Now, this file is pending clearance, whereas the other file claiming repair works of a road that doesn't exist is cleared. The work of the project has also started. Jog suspects that a PWD contractor and an engineer are hand in glove in creating these files. Importantly, the engineer Sandeep Karkanis was suspended recently for another such case, and the contractor is constructing the road just outside his house.
तर त्या इंजिनियरान कितें केलें, हो म्हाजो जो रोड एक्झिस्टिंग जो रोड आसलो म्हणजे वापरान जो रोड आसलो तो रोड त्याने न्यू कन्स्ट्रक्शन म्हणून दाखयलो आणि हो जो त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचो स्वताचो ओन रोड जो आसलो तेचीच जमीन तेचोच हे बेनिफीट तोच लाभार्थी तोच आणि हे करपी तोच अशें जेन्ना आसलो तो तेणे इम्प्रुवमेंट म्हणून दाखयलो आणि ताका लागून म्हाजी फायल फायनान्स पर्यंत वयची पडली आणि तेची हांगा ती इम्प्रुवमेंट रोड म्हटल्यानंतर ती तांकां पावर आसता तो हें केलो. पयलीं रोड केन्नाच नासलो थंय, जाय जाल्यार हांकां विचारा, जाय जाल्यार आनी 10 साक्षीदारां उबे करता की हांगा केन्ना रोड नासलोच. आनी हे PWDचे लोक जे पळय आहा न्हू हे संगनमत करता ह्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचें आणि अशें उलटें कितें तरी दाखयता.
Right now, the file is stuck due to code of conduct. A bridge was built 15 years ago, but a road was never constructed.
हांगाच्यान उस्ता पर्यंत रोड करपाची तयारी आसली सरकारची, पण ते मदीं कितें जालें आनी कितें कांय हांव सांगूंक शकना. मदीं म्हणजे पूल बांदलो तो तसोच वेस्ट उरलो. त्या वाटेन फक्त आतां ह्या पुलान आमचा फक्त आतां लोक येता वयता, रस्त्याची वेवस्था कांयच ना.
The farmer has threatened hunger strike along with his family if government fails to construct the road.
गेली 40 वर्सां हांव ह्या रस्त्याचे त्रास काडटा. म्हाजे आतां सगळे उपाय हरलेले आहा. म्हाज्यान हो रस्तो क्रॉस करून नजो वजन घेवन कितें वयर चलोन नजो. म्हाजे कडेन आतां एकच उपाय आसा की ह्या टोटल फॅमिलीक घेतलो आनी हांव ह्या रस्त्यासाठी उपोशणाक ह्या रस्त्याचेर बसतलो.
Our reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
First cracks have developed in the group of 5 independent MLAs in the state. Labour and Fisheries Minister and independent MLA Avatano Futado has made it clear that it was just a friendly gathering with Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai on Wednesday. He had no intention to harm or create any group to pressurize the Parrikar-led BJP government.
Vijay is an old friend of mine and he was there for my victory lap rally which I had. He had come. So he told me while inviting me that this is just a victory celebration, nothing more than that. So, but when I went there, it was a total different thing. So I couldn't say I am not coming up on stage. I had to go on stage. There it was the only that celebration, nothing more than that. And it's nothing to do with the government, nothing at all. I am with Mr. Parrikar and I will always be with BJP. There's nothing that they should think that it's a threat to the government or anything like that.
Earlier on Tuesday, Fatorda independent MLA Vijay Sardesai had launched the model of citizens friendly governance named Sangathan. All 5 independent MLAs, including Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai, Porori MLA Rohan Kaunte, Bicholi MLA Naresh Sawal, Veli MLA Benjamin Silva, and Labour and Fisheries Minister and Naveli MLA Avatano Futado were present at the launch function.
उमेदवार अपक्ष आमदार जे हांगा बशिल्ले आहा तांचेर केन्ना केन्ना अन्याय जावपाक शक्यताय आहा. म्हणून आमी सांगातान कितें आहा तो मुवमेंट चलोवपाक जाय. फातोर्डा मतदारसंघातूच न्ही, सगळ्या कडेन फाल्यां पंचायतीची इलेक्शनां येतात थंय बी आमदार आपले बरे मनीस चूज करूंक सोदता. थंय बी इंटरफियरन्स जाल्लें आहा. सो आमी सगळे एकवट जर दवरले म्हाका दिसता आमी गोंयकार पण राखूंक शकतले.
A reporter from Margao, Savio Dias. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.